First of all, why I got this was because all the meetings have become online and I needed some kind of a fidget toy actually to keep playing around during the time when I'm just watching the screens or listening to some boring meetings. And I did look for a lot of shopping websites and then found this one to be rated very well, and then I ordered this. This is a bit cheesy, the free gift part. I don't have any more comments on this, but yeah, the product as such was very good. On the first look, it did look like it was of good quality. The plastic appeared very sturdy rather than some cheap plastic, and it was working quite well. And I have been using this before I made this video like for about 3 months, and it's been quite good. It hasn't broken or it hasn't come out in pieces, so this is quite good. Here is me trying to use the max resistance, which is quite difficult, and now I'm going to reduce it and try using it with the lesser resistance. This Sterling hand gripper is a good purchase if you are looking to buy a hand strengthening exercise device or a hand gripper, and the link is given below to buy the same.